generation platform for any agencies or any small businesses looking for leads, looking to send emails, create chatbots, and so much more. So I've created a previous video that goes into what the platform is about, and then I've also done some prospecting, the find B2B contacts, find B2B companies, find B2C local businesses, and find the domains, right? So we've covered that in one of our previous videos. You can just have a look at the previous video to get that information. Next up, we're going to be touching on the LinkedIn prospecting tools. So this is awesome if you are looking to find leads on LinkedIn and you want to be able to send them, you know, automatic connection requests, automatic messages, and so forth, right? What's awesome about this, but it's an extension that you're going to download, a Chrome extension. We're giving you a 30-day free trial to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which you'll have access to. So once you sign up, you just need to pop us an email or reach out to us and we'll send you the link. We're also setting it up so that you guys get the link sent to you automatically. But this basically means that you'll be able to extract LinkedIn emails on this particular feature over here, right? So if you go and view someone's profile, automatically you'll be able to view the profile, and you'd be able to, you know, check what the email addresses are and then reach out to them or build a connection or communication like that. You can also set up, you know, save the leads so that you know exactly, you know, what the next steps will be, what you want to basically, how you want to do your outreach to them, right? So that's on the one section. And guys, this is all for free, right? So LinkedIn or connection visits and connection requests. This again comes with the extension. So over here you can automatically send out connection requests. You can send out messages automatically to your potential clients. So you search for a certain type of group, and then automatically you can start sending messages on recurring to these potential you know, LinkedIn connects. And you basically just have to set it up once. You don't have to do it over and over again. Once more, you will get a free LinkedIn Sales Navigator account with us, which will be a 30-day trial for you to try and play around with. Because of our partnership, you also get a discount with them, right? So that is on the LinkedIn, web browsing, email extract. So this extension you can download, you can install it on your PC. Website browsing or website, you just need to create a list of contacts. Once you've done that, you'll be able to extract emails from any website that you can think of, right? So it's very fast. It's awesome. It's an awesome tool, guys, to use. And again, you don't have to pay separately like other tools where you have to pay for each of these features separately. Like this in itself would be a separate tool which you need to pay for. The LinkedIn extracting you'd need to pay for separately. This is in other cases, but with us you get it all inclusive, right? Next up, you can also create your short messages. So the type of messages that you want to set up. So like a campaign, really start you know, sending the messages in a sequence. That can be done directly from here. So where you don't have to you know, stress about what do I say, typing out new messages each and every time, guys. So that is just on it of the inside of that platform, the SaaS platform. Guys, once more, it's absolutely free. The link will be in the bio, so you can run through it. You can see what it's like. You can leave a comment. You can give feedback, etc. Thanks for watching this video. The next one will be on the data extractor. And then we'll also be going through some of the other tools that's on. So right. So there's still loads more to cover. So keep an eye and then follow up. And also, guys, if you think that there's anyone else that might find value in this, please do like it and share the video with someone that you think that will find value in this. Thank you very much, and until the next video, bye bye.